Just like all of us, Peaky Blinders has also hooked famous footballer David Beckham to his screen. While the heartthrob has gone on record about his love for the show, Paul Anderson has sparked a new ecstasy. If his post is to go by, we might see Beckham in a special appearance in Season 6. Yes, you are not daydreaming. It's true. Peaky Blinders Season 6 is one of the most awaited projects across. The show that has already won many accolades and infinite hearts is gearing for the next season. Amid this is the Paul Anderson incepted speculation.
By order of the Peaky Blinders.
Those who are new to our channel, please subscribe it now and also click the bell icon so that you don't miss anything from 3R Mojos. The creators of Peaky Blinders had to postpone filming earlier this year due to the coronavirus pandemic. As the country went into lockdown, films and television series were on hold, but are now starting to get back up and running again. A release date, however, has not been revealed for the 6th season of the BBC One drama. Over the years, Peaky Blinders has won itself a very loyal fan base with a viewers glued to every episode. Celebrities including actor Samuel L. Jackson, footballer John Terry, actress Julia Roberts, rapper Snoop Dogg and actor Brad Pitt have all said they love the show either on social media or during interviews. They could all be in with a shot at appearing in Peaky Blinders. As well as director Steve Knight has already said there could be some scope for celebrity appearance in Season 6. So the question is, has David Beckham casting been confirmed? David Beckham shot to fame from an early age as professional footballer for teams including Manchester United, LA Galaxy and Real Madrid. But he could soon be adding actor to his list of credentials for Season 6. Actor Paul Anderson portrays Arthur Shelby Jr. in Peaky Blinders and has done so since the series began. He took to Instagram to share a photograph of himself and actor Cillian Murphy, who plays Tommy Shelby, having a drink at the Garrison pub. In the caption, Anderson said, "Ciao Bella. Looks like he is somewhere in Small Heath getting ready for Season 6. Following the caption, Anderson tagged director Guy Ritchie, actor Lucas Hash, Twilight actress Bella Thorne and David Beckham. We all know that Small Heath is the place where a lot of Peaky Blinders is filmed. So could this be a hint that Beckham will be featured in Season 6? Beckham is reportedly a big fan of the drama and even visited the set during Season 5. He is also good friends with actor Anderson, who previously shared a picture of the two of them attending a party. Rumors have since been circulating that he will be in the upcoming season of Peaky Blinders. While this has not been officially confirmed by the show's creators, Anderson's post could be a teaser for what's to come. So viewers, that's it for today. We all want to see David Beckham in the Season 6 of Peaky Blinders. If you are with us or if you not want to see David Beckham in Season 6, then comment us below. Whoever is still not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it now and must click the bell icon. We will be back soon with our new video. Until then, stay away. Bye bye.